Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. It's the day after Christmas. I'm trying to recoup from eating too much and to being too lazy. So today we're gonna get out. I got something new. It's a DeeZee 43-300 tailgate assist for my 03 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. So we're gonna put this in. I know there's other people and probably other videos on YouTube that describe it and show it a lot better, but we're gonna, for you guys that watch some of my videos and stuff, we're gonna go ahead and get this put on and let's see how it goes. All right, let's get this opened up. Let's see what exactly. So here's everything, as you can see: washer, your mounts, your cable for your tailgate so it doesn't rub up on your shock, your tool, your shock, and the box. All right, so two things I noticed is you need an M5 Allen wrench for this to hold it when you're twisting in this bolt contraption into your tailgate. Second thing you'll need is some type of adjustable wrench. I used a small adjustable wrench. So you need those two things. You're going to take this into the corner right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold the Allen wrench on here and you're going to twist this wrench so it's basically pushing this contraption into your tailgate. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like after that insert has been put in right there. There's actually a little bitty collar on the other side of that insert. When you push it in, it actually has to press into the hole that was right there originally. I thought that the whole metal shank expanded as you put it in, but apparently it's the little collar on the other side of this, on the other side of the flat side, that actually presses in, and now you're using a 13mm socket to just push and twist that on and make sure it's straight. All right guys, so now on the truck side of things, you got to use a T45 and take this out, and then we're going to insert our larger one, and you can see where it's going to stop because this thing is going to loop right over that. Up on your tailgate some. As you're doing this, it'll relieve some of the pressure from alright, just slide that off. They give you a new washer, and then you're going to take this new washer, you're going to put that in like that, and we're going to put some Loctite on this. Throw that away anyways when it's done. Alright, I could not find my 17mm, so I'm going to attempt to use my adjustable wrench. That's pretty. We're going to take our cable, put that over it. Alright, so now we're removing the bottom part. The limiter is that small little bitty washer right there that you see me pry it up. You have to pry up under it and then take a pair of pliers and twist it around. So it seems to be easier. I've got basically a pair of wire cutters to get in there, and then I'm actually using the T45 torque bit to actually unscrew the screw from the that little limiter washer. Take that off and reinstall that. We're gonna put this cable protector on here. Measure down the cable about 3.5 inches, and then I'm gonna, there we go. If you guys will take a small screwdriver and just put it in that little pin, that C pin right there, it pulls on the inside of that, so it expands the C pin, so it should be able to slide right over. I actually had to put something in it to push that pin out, and then I'll put the little screwdriver in there. You're just gonna close that. It's not coming off of there. let's try it out and see how it works. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see, it attaches up here with all new hardware. So the old hardware with the T45, you can trash it or you can keep it on the side in case anything happens. And then that goes on there. And then it attaches way down here next to that hole that's in your bracket assembly. And that stays back on there after you take the limiter. It said if you don't take that limiter off on the inside, it might rub or something on this so it doesn't extend all the way. So we're gonna have my 8-year-old son Preston. He's gonna try it out. All right, it's all the way closed now. Just let it go when you open it. Let it go. Look at that.
Now let me.
So my 7-year-old's gonna try it. Push it up. All the way, close. All right, so it's closed. So he's gonna open it up with no assistance and let it go.
Wow,
Look at that.
much better.
All right, well, it looks like it works good. It's gonna help out with the kids immensely. All right, guys, well, thanks for viewing the video. If you do, like I said, you can see it right there. And it didn't take too long. I mean, it took me about 30 minutes probably because I had to go back in for some other tools. But subscribe and like this video if you want. I hope I was help to some people. Some of the instructions were a little unclear on certain things, but it went on well and everything. So y'all stay tuned. I got more stuff coming. Y'all have a good New Year's.